Good morning from my vehicle because I had to drop Zane off at the hockey rink for a 6 a.m. practice. So I'm gonna run into the grocery store and see if I can get some eggnog. We like to stock up on eggnog in the freezer. Usually after Christmas, almost, it's getting really hard to find. So I'm gonna go see if I can stock up on some eggnog. My local grocery store is the only place I've been able to find it. Oh yes. Mission accomplished. I'm kind of thinking I deserve coffee this morning since it's so early. I do not buy coffee often. This little guy, small, was $7 and some cents. It's really good though. And I did get an extra shot of espresso in it. It's the praline caramelicious. Yeah. Gonna put my eggnog in the freezer and go get ready for the day. These are for my elf. They left some eggs out yesterday. And let's see what happens. Except I think I want to move the elves. Where to put them good today. They're like under my entertainment center. Still feel like it's entirely too early to be awake. Okay. At this point I have daycare in about an hour. 2 more days and I am on Christmas break. I am excited to just spend some time with my kids. They're growing up entirely too fast. This is random, but I recently tried this e.l.f. Halo Glow Contour because my pharmacy contour that I've been using for a while has been out of stock, so I had to try something else. Whoa, that was a lot. Anyway, I like it. I'm also like in my head at this time, I'm like brainstorming what I'm all gonna do today, or like serve for food and stuff. I don't like superly write out and plan out things, but like in the morning I take some time and I think about what we're gonna have and stuff. So yeah, that's what I'm going over in my head right now. Color I wear pretty much every day. The lip color is Bella Lip Sense by Senegence. It goes on in 3 layers and it pretty much lasts me all day, and it keeps my lips really nice and smooth and hydrated and healthy. There's like a gloss that goes on after it, but yeah, that's the color I wear. You let it dry between the layers so it's hard to talk. And I do my lashes while the layers are drying. And I use this is like liquid lash extensions. But then I go in with like an old mascara to kind of brush it out so they're not clumpy. Gloss. Probably doing nothing with my hair. It's fine. It's been worse. Wait, now I'm gonna clean the playroom. Yes, I should have done this yesterday, but I knew I would have time to do it today. Here's what the before looks like. It's not bad, honestly. All right, clean enough. That took me like 10 minutes. And since I didn't do this yesterday, I'm just gonna go around and spray everything down with this toy disinfectant. It kills RSV, cold and flu, strep, E. coli, salmonella. You just spray it and then you can play. I think it breaks down to a saline solution in like 60 seconds or something, so it's safe for the kids to play. I feel like it does help a lot because this is the first, we've had like a very mild cold going through my house right now. Very mild, and this is the first time we've gotten sick at all this fall, so I think we're doing okay. I'm also just turning on a cartoon. We're gonna do, ooh, look, there's Click Clack Moo, Christmas at the Farm. We're gonna do that one too, I think, today. All right, I'm gonna turn on Shrek the Halls. Actually, I'm gonna pause it. It'll just be ready when my daycare kids get here. Okay, I'm heading upstairs. I need to put some tissue paper in my daughter's gifts for school. All right, this gift is for her teacher. We kind of got her some supplies. I don't want you to see her name, but This is cute little sticky note pad and some refill Post-its, pens, and whiteout. That's what we got her. My younger kids had the same teacher, and they got her gifts too. And then she has a Secret Santa thing for at school today. They're just supposed to spend a few dollars. She got some gummy worms and a couple pops for her Secret Santa. And then I probably need to go wake her up for the day. She's still in bed. Alright, I'll let her fill out these tags. And that's that. Alright, I'm gonna go wake my daughter up now, and then I'm probably just gonna sit downstairs and edit a video till my daycare kids get here. But thanks for spending the morning with me. Happy Thursday.